Welcome, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Please be seated.
Thank you, sir.
Dear colleagues, we are very fortunate that today we have our group chairman with us for our this SPM, Sales Promotion Meeting cum Training Program. And we have with us another eminent personality, Dr. Nevgi sir. We will be celebrating with these both of dignitaries our success of Apidel and the launching of our vitamin D3, that is Guide D3. So before that, Dr. Nevgi sir is MBBS DGO. He is a practicing doctor at Boisar, and he is a director of Sai Sakshi Hospital at Boisar, a very big hospital in this area. And fortunately for us, and very important for us, that he is prescribing our two of our products, PolyOX and Apidel. So now I request Dr. Zawar sir to felicitate Dr. Nevgi sir. You're welcome. Now I request Pagare sir to felicitate our group chairman, Dr. Zawar sir. I also request Pagare sir to felicitate our training head, Lade sir. Now I request, as we have the privilege to have Dr. Zawar sir with us, I request him to guide us on this occasion.
Much louder, you can hear me well.
Yes.
So, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Jai Sri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
First of all, let me express my sincere gratitude. So, let me express my sincere gratitude to Dr. Hemant Nevgi sir, who is my very close friend, for accepting our invitation in very short span, I think in a day or yesterday only. And besides his hectic schedule, you know, gynecologist schedule, how hectic it is. Besides his hectic schedule, he is present personally here. So thank you Nevgi sir. And actually, what does it show? Like, he shows the trust in your product, in your organization, and love and affection for me personally and for our organization. So thank you. So for today's event, Dr. Nevgi sir is the chief guest, and we are celebrating two events. One is the product celebration, and the second is the product launch. Okay. So Apidel syrup is a unique blend of herbal ingredients, very selected and active ingredients like, and positioned in the category of appetizer and digestives. Okay. So this particular product, Nevgi sir, has been positioned #1 in revenue immediately after launching in its first year only. So it is a great achievement for all. Actually, ranking position in #1, what does it mean? Like, the market has accepted this product for its palatability, for its quality, especially all super stockists, retailers, doctors, medical professionals, and patients. And most importantly, you all people showing trust in our product and the marketing strategies which has been designed by Mr. Pagare sir and Mr. Babul sir. They have designed the strategies, you have shown the trust, and you just have the great passion to succeed in this particular product. So this is the celebration of our achievement, of your hard work, of your trust and everything. So this achievement is of everybody. This celebration is for everyone. Okay. And second event will be for new product launching. As you know, we are continuously striving to bring out the new product. Though it is B2 product, it is already been launched by many companies, but it is new for our organization. It is actually, you must be knowing this, what we are launching today, Kite D3. It is a cholecalciferol oral suspension. Though it is in market, so there are a number of products every day coming into the market, but concept to market, it's very big journey. So Mr. Pagare sir and Mr. Bagul and Mr. Lade, they are continuously doing this research from market, which product to select and which product to bring in which kind of doses, what should be their strategies, marketing strategy, presentation, physical packaging, and most important, from where to get it done. From the best of best manufacturing company, the product has been brought. This whole journey requires a lot of hard work, lot of research, and collecting the inputs, lot of inputs from different sources. So I must congratulate Mr. Pagare sir, Mr. Lade sir, and Mr. Bagul sir for bringing this product today. So we'll be launching that product. I hope by cake cutting
By Monday we will start.
We'll be launching in market, but today we'll be launching that.
Yeah.
So first important thing, we shall be very proud and excited to celebrate the accomplishment of Apidel, and with that we have got the new responsibility to look future with new heights every time.
Yes.
So I wish you all the best. The way we have done with Apidel, the similar way, I would love to see this Kite D3 in coming year #1 position in market. Now most important thing, when we say that position #1 in revenue, it is with respect to our own basket. As a chairman of the organization, I would love to see our product #1 in whole market with respect to all their competitors. For that, whatever and whichever the way you need my support, I open my doors wholeheartedly. You are always welcome. I will stand by you. I wish you all the best, and with this great expectation, I close my talk for today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Shri Ram.
Thank you very much, sir, for your guidance. Now I request our chief listener today, Dr. Nevge sir, to guide us as per his clinical judgments and integrity practice. Nevge sir.
Thank you. Thank first Dr. Davar sir. मराठी बोलत चालेल ना? सॉरी सर, थँक्यू. ॲक्च्युली मी काय जास्त कधी टॉक वगैरे दिलेलं नाही किंवा कोणते प्रोग्राम जास्त अटेंड करत नाही, कारण बेसिकली गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट असल्यामुळे आणि एरिया वाईज कसं आहे, शॉर्टेज असल्यामुळे भरपूर ठिकाणी मला अटेंड करावं लागतं. जवळजवळ माझ्याकडं 10 ते 12 हॉस्पिटल अटेंड असल्यामुळे, गव्हर्नमेंट जॉब वगैरे सगळ्या गोष्टी असल्यामुळे क्लिनिकल प्रॅक्टिसमध्ये मी 2005 पासून आहे, पण ती सर्व प्रॅक्टिस सर्जिकल प्रॅक्टिस होती. पण बॅड लक म्हणा किंवा गुड लक म्हणा, साई साक्षी हॉस्पिटल सुरू केलं होतं मिसेससाठी, आणि तेव्हा मला हॉस्पिटलमध्ये फक्त मिसेसलाच हे करायचं होतं प्रॅक्टिससाठी. पण बॅड लक की कोविड आलं, कोविड नंतर मुलाची 11वी 12वी आली, त्याच्यामुळे मॅडम मला बसता आलं नाही. त्याच्यामुळे जो काय प्रोजेक्ट उभा केला होता तो कंटिन्यू करणं गरजेचं होतं. आता प्रोजेक्टचं नाव काढलं म्हणून सरांची आठवण झाली, कारण जे काही माझ्यामध्ये जे काही सुरुवात झालेली आहे, मी सुरुवातीला 2005 मध्ये इथं आलो होतो, एक 0 लेवलवर माझं काम होतं. पण सराबरोबर मी 2-3दा नाशिकला चक्कर मारली, तेव्हाच मी ठरवलं, दादा आणि सर यांच्याबरोबर मी 2-3दा गेलो, तर इतका हे होऊन गेलो की मला आपण पण या स्टेजला आपण पोहोचणार आहे म्हणलं, किंवा आपल्याला पोहोचायचं. त्यांच्या त्या गोष्टी बघून काही गोष्टी बोलू शकत नाही, जेव्हा गाडीत जायचो तेव्हा बघितलं. पण आज मला कमलामध्ये आल्यानंतर खरंच बरं वाटलं की ज्या गोष्टी 25 वर्षापूर्वी मी त्यांच्याबरोबर फिरलो होतो आणि आज त्या माणसाबरोबर त्यांनी मला इन्व्हाइट केलं. खूपच मला चांगलं वाटलंय. तो पार्ट फक्त आमचा फ्रेंडशिप किंवा सर मला खूप रिस्पेक्टेबल आहे, कारण मला पालघरमध्ये आलेला पहिला सपोर्ट त्यांनी केलेला आहे आणि डॉक्टर उमेश उंपलवार या दोन लोकांनी खूप चांगला सपोर्ट केलाय. तर त्या गोष्टी झाल्या. पण आता हे क्लिनिकल प्रॅक्टिसमध्ये माझं कसं आहे की सर्जिकल हँड्स वगैरे चांगलं असल्यामुळे किंवा सर्जिकल अटॅचमेंट किंवा एरिया वाईज त्याच्यामुळे मी कधीच ओपीडी प्रॅक्टिस केली नव्हती. पण 2017ला हॉस्पिटल सेटअप केल्यानंतर प्रॉब्लेम झाल्यामुळे मला आता ओपीडीला बसावं लागतं. तर ओपीडीला बसल्यानंतर आता समजायला लागलं की हे प्रॉडक्ट्स वगैरे. जेव्हा महेश माझ्याकडे आला तेव्हा ते प्रॉडक्ट पाहिजे, तेव्हा त्यांनी सांगितलं की काईट फार्मा सरांची हे आहे. तर तेव्हा मला इतकं फील झालं की 4 वर्षापासून मी बाकीचे एवढे प्रॉडक्ट लिहित होतो आणि जे आपले घरचे प्रॉडक्ट असून मी काय करतो आणि एवढे चांगले प्रॉडक्ट. आता जसं तुमचं जे प्रॉडक्ट्स आहे समजा पॉलिओएक्स आहे, तर माझी इन्फर्टिलिटी प्रॅक्टिस खूप चांगली आहे. तुमचे बरेचसे सरांनी पण पाठवलेले पेशंट आहे किंवा तुमच्या कंपनीचे बरेचसे पेशंट माझ्याकडे असतात. तर त्याच्यामुळे टॉर्च हील वगैरे इतके चांगला प्रॉडक्ट आणि इतका चांगला म्हणजे त्याचा रिस्पॉन्स आहे. तर तो मला माहित नव्हतं. मी 5 वर्षापासून स्वतः मिस केले आणि बरेचसे प्रॉडक्ट आता मला मिस करायचे नाहीये. त्याच्यामुळे मला सर्व कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये राहावं लागणार आहे. आणि प्रॉडक्टचा रिझल्ट बघितला जसं ॲपिडेल मी जेव्हापासून मी दिलाय 2 महिन्यामध्ये माझ्याकडे भरपूर पेशंटला चांगला रिझल्ट मिळाला आहे. आणि त्यांचं बरेचसे पेशंट एकदा परचेस केल्यानंतर सेकंड टाइम मला डायरेक्ट बोलतात नको मला हे नको. आणि पावडर सुद्धा प्रोटीन पावडर सुद्धा एकदम एक्सलंट म्हणजे अट्रॅक्टिव्ह पण आहे आणि त्याचा रिझल्ट पण चांगला आहे.
थँक्यू सर.
तर हे जे प्रॉडक्ट्स वगैरे मला अनुभव चांगला आलाय आणि माझे मित्र वगैरे असतील तर त्यांना मी हे करेल. थँक्स फॉर माय
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. या परिसरामध्ये डॉक्टर हेमंत नेवगणचं नाव सर्जिकल स्किल्ससाठी खूप छान आहे. ते फ्री लायसन्स इकडच्या सगळ्या हॉस्पिटलमध्ये जाती किंवा पण गायनेकल ऑब्स्टेक्टचा विषय निघतो तर सगळ्यात पहिले सगळ्यांच्या डोक्यात पहिले डॉक्टर हेमंत नेवगे अशा प्रकारचं स्किलफुल त्यांचा हँड्स आहे. त्यांनी आता जे ओपीडीला बसला धन्यवाद. त्यामुळे आमची प्रिस्क्रिप्शन निघाली नाही तर सगळीकडे ते ओपन लायसन्स मीटिंग्स करतात ते निघून जातात. प्रिस्क्रिप्शनचं काम राहत नाही. तर आम्ही अशी अपेक्षा करतो की ओपीडीमध्ये पण कंटिन्यू करावं. तर अशा प्रकारचे डॉक्टर नेवगे सर एवढ्या बिझी शेड्यूलमध्ये ते आपल्याकडे इथे आले. आपण सगळ्यांनी जोरदार टाळून आता आपल्या सगळ्यांना आपल्या प्रोडक्टवर विश्वास आहे यात काही शंका नसताना सुद्धा जेव्हा टेस्टिमनी टेस्टामेंट्स कोणीतरी येऊन ऑथॉरिटी तुम्हाला सांगतो की हा प्रोडक्ट प्रिस्क्राईब केला माझ्या त्या पेशंटवर सगळ्यांवर चांगला दिसतो. मला असं वाटतं की तुमचा आणखी कॉन्फिडन्स वाढला पाहिजे आणि खूप त्याच कॉन्फिडन्सनी तुम्ही पुढे इन्स्पायर नवीन हाईट्स आपल्या रेव्हेन्यूमध्ये म्हणा बिझनेसमध्ये म्हणा बेनिफिट. कारण नुसतं प्रोडक्ट चांगला असून चालत नाही. त्यामुळे बऱ्याच गोष्टी आणखी मार्केटिंगच्या सेल्सच्या त्या सॉफ्ट स्किल्स तुमच्यामध्ये आल्या पाहिजे. तर मला वाटतं का बागुल सर लाडे सर तुम्हाला त्या प्रोडक्टबद्दल इनपुट्स पण देतील, कॉन्फिडन्स पण देतील आणि तुम्हाला त्या स्ट्रॅटेजीज ट्रिक्स देतील तर कसं आपला प्रिस्क्रिप्शनमध्ये आपल्याला एनकॅश करायचं आहे. ओके थँक्यू.
Now I request our dignitaries to light जी आपली स्वतःची परंपरा आहे त्या परंपरेप्रमाणे कुठलंही नवीन काम कार्य करताना आपण जसं समय पेटवतो तसं आजही आपल्या या प्रॉडक्टचं इनॉग्रेशन आहे. माय रिक्वेस्ट Lode sir. And today we have a birthday of Mr. Mahesh Sisode. So I request you to हैप्पी डेल का सक्सेस किसी का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट हो सकता है, ये पहली बार हो रहा है। Now I request both the dignitaries to inaugurate our new product, the very aspired product, Kite T3.
That this product has been launched, and I wish to see this product also positioned number 1 with respect to revenue in coming year.
Thank you very much. And I am sure with the blessings of our both dignitaries, we will make this product successful within first year of launch. Though the concepts we discussed with Bhagare sir and Lode sir, but the execution is from Lode sir. I thank him for all his whatever we visualize, he materialized everything for us. So thank him also for all from all of us. Patience is our amazing.
Sir, to boost your moral, Dr. Nevge sir had just announced that this particular product vitamin D oral solution, he is using every now and then, left and right, to most of his patients. So he is placing first order of 1,000 bottles immediately. Thank you very much. पहिल्याच दिवशी त्याने एकदम सिक्सर मारलेला आहे.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच सर.
सुंदरपणे हा प्रोडक्ट आपल्याला नवीन माइलस्टोन आपल्यासाठी असेल.
येस सर.
आणि थँक्यू सो मच फॉर नेव्गे फॉर बूस्टिंग द मोरल ऑफ आवर टीम.
I really thank Nevge sir for this first order. When the product is not available here, it will be available with us from Monday, because probably tomorrow it will reach us to our depot and we will start distributing from Monday onwards. So I am really overwhelmed to Dr. Nevge sir for his gesture.
मला पण अभिमान आहे सरांच्या कंपनीचा जो पहिला प्रोडक्ट
Thank you very much. See, when we launched this product, Apidel, in the month of November 23, we never had the vision that within first 2 months or 3 months it will click and we will have a good base for this product. But you all proved that this product became #1 product in-house within 9 months. So this is our baby and we must celebrate this. And I hope Kite D3 will be a very big success as we have received first order of 1,000 bottles. So I really overwhelmed the way these both dignitaries have boosted our morale, and I hope each one of us will give him assurance that this product will also become #1 within the first year of its launch. I really thank all of you for your overwhelming support for the Apidel syrup to make this product successful, as well as I would like to have your overwhelming support in the field within first launch, that is first month of launch, that is after going back from this place, you will be receiving goods by month end, and from the 1st of September, you will start launching this product. Now I request Padare sir to give vote of thanks to our dignitaries.
Mr. Nare wants to say something. Yes.
Before vote of thanks, I will request Nare sir to talk about our both the products, Kite D3 and Apidel syrup.
And his association with our organization since so long. So few words.
Regarding Kite D3, I would like to add something. Earlier to COVID, vitamin D3 was related to osteology only, or related to orthopedics only. But COVID had taught us its new opportunities in different specialties also, including immunity boosting, and it has sky's the limit. And most important, sun exposure is going what we can say lesser nowadays. आपण सूर्यवंशी नाहीये, सकाळी उठत नाहीत आपण खूप लेट उठतो, त्याच्यामुळे व्हिटॅमिन डी डेफिशियन्सी इज व्हेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लेम nowadays, and this is the opportunity for Kite D3. And again I would like to request, say thank you for giving first order. Well begin is half done, so I can assure you already half work is completed here regarding its going to become #1 in the year of its first launching year. So I assure you, definitely we will celebrate Kite D3's success again here. Thank you, sir.
Before I request Padare sir to give vote of thanks, because we have some more things to be performed by our chairman. I request Padare sir to elaborate regarding these two products in few words.
It's just in November we have launched this Apidel, and because of liking the products by team members particularly, we have given all the efforts for making product. We have given the test, taken care of test and results, but liking is very important, and we have done that, and with that you have proved yourself that within 4 months you have made the #1 product for the Kite market. Secondly, with this I assure our group chairman that our Apidel will be the 500 PCPM in this year. And simultaneously, D3 is also, we have taken same thing, that we are quality conscious. we are taking packing, we are taking care of the taste, because taste is plays very important role at the concert cabin. So accordingly we have taken that, and we have come with guide D3 with shots, not capsules and not tablets, but with shots. And that also we assure that we will reach at top within 1 year, and that will be not less than 1,000 boxes per man PCPM. So thanks, and moreover, I really thanks to our Dr. sir that in busy schedule he attended our program, and he has given us a small speech as well as inaugurated our new product and celebrated our happy year. So I thanks to Navigesh sir, and very much thanks for Navigesh sir for the trusting our product and continuing the prescriptions. Thanks to our group chairman that he has also spared a time for us, and thanks particularly for giving the good guidelines to you. And please remember, friends, we have not decided these things. We have to reach at the top level, and you have to prove yourself, and you have to assure. And I myself, Rahul sir, we assure group chairman that this company will reach at the top within 1 or 2 years.